Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to subscribe to FaceApp Pro. So the first thing I want you to do is come here at the top right and click on this Pro button right here. And from here you can subscribe, or you can come here at the top left, click on this gear cog. And as you can see right here, it says FaceApp Pro. Okay, premium content, no watermarks, faster processing. I want you to click on this. Now you can either go for the 12 months option, the yearly option, okay? Or you can go for the 1 month option, which is $8 per month, or you can go for the 12 month, which will give you 60% off, and it's billed at $40 yearly, right? You can also enable a 7-day free trial if you want, but when you want to subscribe, you just come here, click on continue, and then you choose your payment method. So you either use Play Points, your card as well. So I have my card connected, and all you need to do is click here on subscribe, and you'll be subscribed, okay? As long as you have your payment method added. Or you can come here, tap on your card, and then add another payment method, choose Google Play Balance, or you can use PayPal. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.